So welcome to a live Friday. However, we're doing this one day earlier on a Thursday. And for some who are watching live, it might even be Wednesday where you are in the world.
This is true.
So we have had lots of questions in the group this week and lots today. So we're really excited. We've chosen 2 questions that we're going to answer. But yeah, keep those questions coming. And thanks to all of the amazing VAs in there supporting each other and answering the questions and helping. That's what we built the group for. So that's really great to see. So thank you so much.
It is. It's really cool to see. Right, we're going to kick off. Okay, the other question we're going to answer today is from Nolathando. And he asks, hi everyone, I would like to know if beta testing your services for free is a good idea.
Yeah. Look, if you were providing something maybe visual or a website services or something that you could really showcase in a portfolio, that's a great option, is to find someone who you can do a few things for free, get a testimonial. That's what it's all about, getting that review, getting something that you can show in your portfolio. Absolutely, I think it is a great idea. If you can, if you've got the time, if you're willing to do it, then absolutely nothing should stop you from offering that. Just making sure that you don't do it for everyone and you do it as an exclusive offer, or you don't even say it publicly. You just choose some people to do it for, because you don't want that to be the norm.
No, absolutely. Yeah, I agree with you, Jo. It's a great way for those that are just starting out in the VA industry to offer a project or a few hours work for free, or an established virtual assistant that has decided that they want to start offering a new service that they haven't previously. Once again, great way to get some experience under your belt. When you say for free, though, I kind of don't like that free. I would be going in saying, hey, look, I'd love to do this work for you. In return, how about a review, a testimonial, something, wherever you're putting your reviews and testimonials that you're collecting from people, I would definitely be asking for at least that in return, and set some boundaries. If it's say it's a website, as an example, I would be making sure that you are really clear. Does that include all the ongoing maintenance that a website requires? I would hope not, because that could be potentially years of work that you're then giving away for free. So yeah, think about the free part of that. You don't actually want to be giving it away for absolutely nothing. You want a review or testimonial in return, and set some boundaries as to what it is exactly that you're going to be providing to them and for how long for.
Yeah, absolutely. That's awesome advice. And yeah, I think there's sort of 3 benefits of doing something for free. One, it gets you the testimonials and reviews. The other one is that you could be building your portfolio if that's like a type of service that you're providing. And the other one is that you can actually get feedback from them in terms of how you went about the project. Is there anything that you could do differently? So you're really testing out your service and your customer service and getting some feedback from them on that as well, so you can refine that. So yeah, I think it's a great idea if you're in the position to do that and you're just starting out. Absolutely. And it doesn't have to just be creative stuff. It can be a couple of hours of virtual assistant services doing something. Likely to be project based, like some sort of project for someone. But yeah, it could be absolutely any services.
Yeah, I mean, when I first started out, I remember running a competition online, and it was giving away, I think, 4 hours of general admin to somebody, and then I picked the winner. And that actually led on to an ongoing client who I still work with now. So it was well worth it.
Nice. Perfect. So I hope that has helped answer those few questions, and keep them coming. We absolutely love answering them. And yeah, it's, like I said before, it's so great to see everyone supporting each other in the group. So thanks so much.
Enjoy the rest of your week, guys. Bye.